Hello stock photographers, since last 2 days there have been an ongoing discussion in the community of stock photographers across multiple Facebook groups, across my YouTube comments. That is, there is a bug in the Shutterstock earning. Some people say it's a bug, some people say it's a glitch. There have been so many opinions, right? So what's the glitch? It's actually some unaccounted income that is showing up in the earnings. Okay, it may be $2, $30, and some people have also got $300. So what is that? Where to get the answers? Well, the answer has already been given by Shutterstock. It's same as my answers which I gave to my subscribers in the YouTube comments. That is, this is nothing but contributor fund. You can see in my earnings for the month of May, I already got a contributor fund of $21 and it was showing up in the main earning. Well, if you just use the mobile app, it will not show and you will find as if it's something unexplained. But this is nothing but contributor fund. What is contributor fund? It is that type of fund that is earning where Shutterstock uses your own image or parts of your own image to make or construct an AI based image. But the algorithm is so complex that they won't show us what exact images were used, but we get paid. Maybe it was some pending payment from previous contributor funds which they have accumulated, they have added up because the financial year was everything. I don't know what was the reason, because US financial year doesn't match up with Indian financial, and it is true for all contributors across the globe, right? So whatever be the reason, we are happy that this thing has finally been addressed, and those who got actually more payments, it's because your images in the portfolio are eligible for more AI based image construction. Often it happens that our images are not fully downloaded or used by the clients, but parts of our images or illustrations are used to generate an AI based image. But whatever be the source, you as a contributor will be rewarded, and that is a justice done by Shutterstock. And if this happens every month, this can be a substantial addition to our passive income. All right, so please let me know in the comment section what is your unexplained earning from contributor fund, right? And if you're watching this video till now, please type the word surprise in the comment section. Very soon I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye and take care.